Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to solve a Rubik's Cube the easy way. So what you're going to do first is you're going to rotate this top layer to a 45-degree angle, and what you're going to do is you're going to take this top edge piece off, and you're going to completely dismantle your cube, like this. It's going to take a few. Now your Rubik's Cube should look like this. Now let's get solving. And the cube is now solved. It was a little bit tricky getting the last piece on, but I had to reattach this piece. Well, I had to put it in first, and then I had to put this one in last. So that's how you solve a Rubik's Cube the easy way. Thanks for watching.